Horgosh, a land port city in China's Xinjiang, has seen a significant increase of accident and entry trips recently. Data from the local authorities show that, during the first quarter of this year, around 220,000 accident and entry trips were made via the port in Horgosh, an increase of 211% year-on-year. This year marks the Kazakhstan Tourism Year in China, and an agreement on mutual visa exemption between China and Kazakhstan went into force late last year.
这次主要是因为恰迎我们中哈的旅游年，然后呢，想借这个机会，带着我老婆一起，然后去那边旅游玩一玩。
看到一些很优美的自然风光，
对，
然后想感受一下当地的人文特色。
中哈免签以后，现在来中国非常方便。我来中国1个月了，去了四川、陕西旅游，中国变化很大，发展也很快。下次我还想带着我的家人来看看。